Well, to remove it is very simple. Not gonna waste too much of your time. To take this off, you start prying from the bottom part. You pry it, you walk your way around. This one was kind of already removed. I thought my mirror was, my video was recording, but apparently it wasn't. So I already took it off. So I got the new one painted from the car. How to do is just, you got a couple of clips in there, as you can see. You got 1, 2, 3 at the bottom, 1 on the side, and 2 in the middle by the top. So as you can see, so you kind of have an idea where you're prying on. So push it in this way, kind of line everything up and snap them all in. Here, clicking in, and like that, it's done. Now it's ready to be installed in a car. I'm gonna show you guys that too.